Dear students, once again, welcome back to Unit 3, Part 1 Time Management. It's rightly said, time and tide wait for none. An individual should understand the value of time for him to succeed in all aspects of life. People who waste time are the ones who fail to create an identity of their own. Time is the most precious thing we have. Time is ultimately the most valuable resources. Time and how we spend it within the organization must be managed effectively. Time is totally perishable. Time cannot be stored up for use later. So we have to practice the habit for good timing management. We should know where the hours are going. Keep focused on the result. Work to define priorities. Schedule time for important issues. Delegates routine lack of responsibility for them. Confront your own decisions and delays. Take the stress out of work. Keep applying the essential habits. This is what we are going to study for today's class. Are you guys ready? Time management refers to managing time effectively so that the right time is allocated to the right activity. Time management has five main aspects, that is planning and goal setting, managing yourself, dealing with other people, your time, and getting results. The first four all interconnect and interact to generate the fifth result. That means planning, goal setting, managing yourself, dealing with other people, and your time. All this are interconnected and it interact to get the fifth result. The ultimate result is getting the final result of your whatever you are dealing with, whatever your plan is, whatever your goal is, whatever you are managing for. So you will get the result at the end when you properly manage the time. Time is non-renewable resources. Once it is gone, it is gone. You will never see this moment again. That is why time is very, very important. Now you have to use the time very effectively by planning, by setting goals and objectives, setting deadlines to your whatever the needs are for your plans, and delegation of responsibilities, prioritizing activities as per their importance, and spending the right time on the right activities that will benefit you by utilizing the time effectively. The truth about the time management which helps an individual to reach their goals, that is, it helps to reach their goals, is by increasing the productivity. It reduces the stress and improves self-esteem, helps to achieve balance in life and increase self-confidence. If you guys not following time, try to learn time management, adopt and take initiative in following, you will definitely see your success. Hope you do so. Can you guys tell me how many seconds do we have in a day? We have 86,400 seconds in a day. So one day per day is equal to 24 hours, and 1 hour, that is per hour, is equal to 60 minutes. So per minute is equal to 60 seconds. When we calculate this, when we multiply all this 24, 60 and 60, we get 86,400 seconds. Don't you think time is money? Yes, definitely time is money. For example, picture it as each day your bank deposits $86,400 in your account and they ask you to spend it all in one day, with the rule that you cannot carry over the money for the next day, or you can give it to your friends or family members. Now what will you do? Don't you feel every second is an efficient and productive way? Suppose if you fail to use the day's deposit, the loss is yours, isn't it? So, what should you do? You should learn the effective time management tips. Now, let's go to the next slide to know about it. Time management refers to manage the time effectively so that the right time is allocated at right activities. Making the best use of time is always limited. Effective time management allows the individual to assign specific time to activities as per the importance. Ask yourself, which activity is more important? How much time should be allocated to? Know which work to be done earlier and which to be done later. Time management plays a very important role not only in organization but also in personal life. So, the most effective time management tips for you all is do the most important things first. That is, give prioritize to your activity. Organize your to-do list every day. Write the list every day. Make it easy to get started and be realistic. Don't be fake. Concentrate on only one thing. Then when you're tired, change the activities. Don't keep repeating the same activities. Change will give you an enthusiastic of doing things well. Learn to say no. Look at the big picture. These are the most effective tips for managing the time. I will be discussing in detail in the further slides. Well, the time management includes effective planning, setting goals and objectives, setting deadlines, delegations of responsibility, prioritizing activities as per the importance, spending the right time on the right activity. Now let me brief out what all these points are. Now the first one is effective planning. How effectively you can plan your timings. Plan your day well in advance. Firstly, task your plan, that is by preparing to-do list. It means what you want to do for a day or a week. Secondly, write in order according to your priority, that is the preferences. What should be completed first and next and so on. And finally, allocate suitable time for each activity, that is how much time is needed to complete your task or activity, or give a deadline or a date or a time. So complete the task one by one. Do not begin the fresh task until you complete the old one. Tick one by one which you have completed. Ensure that you finish the task within the stipulated time. If you have not completed, don't worry. It's of no issues at all. Try again, but don't procrastinate things. The second one is setting goals and objectives. Without goals, there is no success. There is no achievements. It's like the captain of the ship loses his way in the sea. Set targets for yourself. Write down your goals. When you write down, it should be in a smart way. That is, write the smart goals, which is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. The third one is setting deadlines. The third tip of time management it is. So here ask yourself how much time is needed to complete your task. Set deadlines to all your tasks which has to be committed. Don't expect someone or some superiors or someone has to motivate you or to keep on checking what you're doing or to keep on saying that to do the work. Learn to be self-driven. The fourth important of time management is delegation of responsibilities. Roles and responsibilities should be delegated according to the interest and specializations. Do not do everything on your own. Do what is your responsibility and what skill you have inculcated. because when you don't have enough knowledge, it takes time to complete the task. So do what you know, what you can do. So the fifth one is the important time management is prioritizing task. Prioritize the task as per the urgency and importance. Know the difference between the important and urgency. Identify which task to be done along the day, that week or that month. So give first priority to the things which you can do or to the activities which are very important. The sixth important tips for time management is spending the right time on the right activity. For that, you have to develop the habit of doing the right things at the right time. Work done on the wrong time is not of much use. Keep some time separate for your personal calls or checking updates on Facebooks or Twitters. Nowadays, we can see the students are fully concentrating on the Twitters, Facebooks, and even started playing the games. So you have to give only little time for all that, not full time to be given, because all of human beings are not a machine to concentrate only on studies or to concentrate on the activities. So you can use a little time for updating your Facebooks, Twitter or WhatsApp, etc. so on. So what we say is error happens in human beings, but one should be able to rectify it. Learn the habit of accepting the mistakes and learning. These are the tips of time management. Hope you understood. In the next class, I will be discussing about the process of time management. Dear students, remember, yesterday is history, tomorrow a mystery, but today is a gift. That's why they call it the present. So spend it in the right way. Utilize the time in the appropriate way. Thank you, dear students, for spending your valuable time in watching my video. See you soon. Take care. Be safe. Bye.